Of this life.
Why you low? Stand up.
And not be say
You'll not be low in this life. You'll not be low.
my head come off for short.
You come on short.
Shortly.
Just a little. Just shortly.
Shortly.
Just a little
Yeah.
bit. Just a little bit.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to Paddy Paddy. Our names respectively are Mayowa and Ogbolo.
Thank you very much.
Mayowa E. Ogbolo.
Thank you very much.
Together we are Magbolo.
Magbolos. Magbolo. Imagine our wedding things with that.
Magbolo. What's happened? Come up for frame.
No, I know where they want to make ID.
Oh, okay.
So-
They don't tell you, say to the right, to the right.
No, they don't tell me anything, but I just know.
Okay,
Because
just-
what they won't tell me. So I just say, make
Say
before
to
they'll
the
give
right,
us
to the right.
individual shots.
Individual
Camera 6, camera 5, break. As we did that, they follow that they do all this thing. Now they shout inside our head.
Hey, it's our esophagus.
So you know easy.
Yeah,
So
esophagus
I'm
thing.
saying esophagus. Esophagus. Now here now.
The one with the everything they call her.
The one with the
Medulla oblongata.
medulla oblongata.
It's
Yes,
our
sir.
medulla oblongata.
Oblongata. Yes, sir. But they affect our esophagus because it affects your speech.
Yes.
You understand?
And then they
those
affect
say-
our thinking because we just freeze
Yes. And your mitochondria just react in a certain way.
in the embolistic area.
So they don't start now. Break. We will not break it. They will break you.
Oh, Lord.
I know about you be broken. You will break. For those of now who don't know, I need Baba. I'll announce I'm on I go know him. One day we'll bring and come here.
If you see, I mean, it'd be like two of us join together.
La, da, da.
It's spread.
Very spread
It's
us.
quite a
You know,
proud
it's a
man.
matter. It's a
Yeah,
matter.
it's a
Anything
matter.
that has
Occupies
weight.
space and has weight.
Exactly. You know,
Yeah.
it spread everywhere. It be like virus. It just
Yes.
disseminates
And then it's
himself.
quite dark.
Very dark.
So we have to
not,
focus all the light
that
on
dark
him.
side there, it won't dark, no be normal black.
Yeah.
You say we are dark now.
Thick black.
But una mala black. You know
thick
those
black.
oh blood. If you do mistake, bite time. If you do mistake, bite time,
If Pikin they do anyhow,
Your
just tell them I'll
teeth.
show you Ani Baba's face. Pikin go
finish.
copy.
You say
go.
if you all come here,
Eh.
very if you see the man face, oh dada. And now oh ide oh blood of
Break.
No.
It sweets me die.
Oh, that's an issue.
It's quite sugarative.
Oh no,
Yeah.
oh no. Meanwhile,
Very-
our own the day express, no, some day. Please. But when I play that thing again, me and Mayowa won't sing. Play that thing for the back, you understand? Me and Mayowa got to sing on top, you understand?
We got to drop upon the
Let's
beat.
drop in on the Friday things, you understand what I'm saying?
Ẹ̀yin ọmọ wo be, ẹ̀yin ọmọ wo be. Mo gbọ́ information nínú rédíò. Wọ́n ní ẹ̀fà, wọ́n ní ẹ̀fà. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ wo be, ẹ̀yin ọmọ wo be. Mo gbọ́ information nínú rédíò. Wọ́n ní ẹ̀fà, wọ́n ní ẹ̀fà. Oya, yo.
Ẹ̀yin ọmọ wo be,
Wo be.
wo be, wo be, wo be.
Wo be.
Ẹ̀yin ọmọ wo be,
Wo be.
wo be, wo be, wo be.
Wo be.
Wo be, wo be, wo be, wo be, wo be. Wo be, wo be, wo be, wo be.
Yeah, let's sing off cue.
Why master head down, why master?
That's it. Yeah. Oh yeah, advise the advice.
Advise the advice. So now Friday, so they do, you know, advising things, you know, and we got to give our own brain onto some kind of advice things. So, you know, like they go talk, you know, words of wisdom, all right? So today we'll talk about what me and this girl, they always do our best possible, you know, to they try. Even though we're into the speaking game, we're into the talk things, you understand? And okay, they tell me say you're not a girl, you're a woman. Why are they rush her to own?
You see, I was just going to say you've been disrespectful 5 seconds ago. You were supposed to say me and
Mayowa.
this lady,
Mayowa.
lady.
Me and this lady.
Oh, okay.
Yes, spend your life now, Abi. You don't add 20 years, join your years. Join your years for 8 years. But my voice is feeling thick.
Okay, you dey feel am?
I feel my voice, you understand?
It's quite
So,
thunderous.
Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Paddy Paddy Show.
Oh God, we don't talk that one. Continue waiting they talk. See this one.
All right, but today we'll talk about speech. You get me? And you know, say this thing. They say now be the smallest tongue. Now the smallest member for body, now one of the smallest organ for body, but now it be one with the key the most. So meaning say you as a person, you have to control your speech and control your tongue. If you don't say you want to control your life and put it on the straight path.
Yes, because your tongue, your utterances, the things where they come out from inside your mouth can either make you or break you. It can either depress you or excite you. It can either turn you into a better person or turn into a useless fellow. It can either respect you or disrespect you. So everything is in the power of your tongue, actually.
All right, so we'll start with the importance of controlling your speech.
That's no they yarn anyhow.
Yes, not your the yarn anyhow. I can come and talk for the whole world. Just they drop it like it's hot.
No they yarn anyhow.
You get one, get one, know they beat.
They go beat you, ni.
You get it. You know when she always talk, she get one phrase. Anytime she don't make they'll say, keep quiet. She'll say, a closed mouth is a closed destiny. Yeah. That be her phrase. A closed mouth is a closed destiny. Then they give her one day. Pah! Your destiny closed. Is your destiny closed back? Since that day, only they close the mouth. Your destiny quench. So please control your speech and we'll tell you some of the importances. Mayowa,
yes,
launch it.
Now we got there important for you to know, so you need to be careful the kind of things where they use your mouth talk. Because the first thing where anybody go tell you, especially wise people like us, the first thing where we go tell you be say, for this thing where they call mouth, so and the thing where they talk, you cannot take back your words. My mama go say words are like eggs.
Yes. If you
once you come out time, don't fall come off for ground.
It cannot be packed
so
together.
Pack them. It's a problem.
Yes.
So be careful the things that you say with your mouth. Because when it come out, it can't really go back inside.
Yes.
And when it come out, it either of somebody. So if you're worth of somebody, you have entered trouble. Exactly. If you're now of something that is wicked, they will revenge.
They will revenge on you. All right, so part 2. Second reason why you go need to they people no go feel they trust you.
Yes.
Because you know they drop just anyhow.
Yeah.
Because they don't say, okay, look, among all your friends, and sadly but true, many people they get at least one friend will be like that. If all of them they yarn, they'll say, no tell her. He go talk. So people don't go feel they trust you if they yarn anyhow. So be a bit more conservative with your words, all right?
Yes.
So do that. Try your best possible.
You see, I think that the reason why the good Lord gave us 2 ears and 1 mouth is so that we can listen more and talk a bit less. Because the thing they say there's wisdom in understanding. They don't say there's wisdom in talking too much. So you need to learn to calm down your balding and listen more than you talk, so that when you eventually talk, you will make sense. Because it's not really every time that you open your mouth and talk that you're making a sense. That is the truth.
Yes.
So your sensitivity to your talking is directly proportional to how much you listen and understand.
Hey,
so therefore, you dey feel am abi, you dey feel am abi, you dey feel am. Oh no. He went into the spirit right there. He went into the spirit right there. Yes.
Somebody hold me. Oh, black God every day. Oh, da.
All right.
Oh.
Let me bring you back.
I
All I'm trying
really
to say is, dig it.
Yeah.
Oh, Cherry.
Yeah.
Oh, niggas don't make me.
Unleash the dragon.
I know you don't really wanna.
Unleash the dragon.
Dig it.
Yeah.
Cherry.
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Dragon, it's the man, it's the gun, it's the tango, it's the Nintendo, and the man is in the pink and the Nintendo. But not surely, I'm gonna get in the out and a surely. I ain't even gonna try. Yeah, so what's it with the try talk be say? Listen more and talk less.
Yes, and don't unleash the dragon. Not unleash the
dragon.
Don't
be anyhow.
Yeah. All right. So another reason why it is very important for you to control your speech, that because when you talk too much, you can't lie. Before you know it, you don't lie. You understand?
Lying. Oh my God.
You will lie up and down. You understand me? You're not becoming a lion.
Lion.
You know, you become a lioness. You become a liability. You get me now? So too much talking, you must lie, join. You not get how just to occupy it like home. To occupy the gist.
Yes.
You must put lie in between. And every lie is a thief.
Yes.
Because you are thief-free. Okay, so please talk less so you avoid too much lie. Thank you very much.
Another reason why you need to understand, say, you're not supposed to talk anyhow, because if it cause misunderstanding between people, you go talk one thing for one place because you don't talk too much. You don't even remember what thing you talk. You reach another place, you talk another thing.
Bam.
Because you talk plenty, you join two people head together, they begin break their head. It's now on your conscience. You not be saying, What did I say?
Eh.
What did I say? They tell you to they say they see a community.
Yes.
Auntie, calm down. Uncle, calm down. Respect yourself. Calm down your balding. You cannot come and go and kill yourself. Calm down.
All right, so on the final P, you know, say get one place where they talk for the holy book, where it talks to be slow to speak. That one is very important. Be slow to, it says, be slow to anger, slow to speak, but quick to hear. You understand me now? So that slow to speak on now they concentrate on. And last, on top of the importance of controlling your speech. If you talk too much, even you say people your own self for trouble.
Of course.
Even when you don't know. That's why you can't ask a question like, wait, my daughter just now. What did I say?
Yes.
Before you know it, your mouth can land you in trouble. And some people, they're in denial. They don't know say that they talk too much. Some people, they don't know say that they talk too much. All right? So most of the time, people, they talk too much, not they think before they yarn.
Yes.
And then they process things before they utter
So even
and
if
come
they are
out.
smart, it makes them sound...
Like say you're not so smart, you
Yeah.
understand? So this is now the importance of controlling your speech. By the time we come back from this break, we're going to the importance of controlling your tongue. There are different things to use your tongue for, you understand? But, all right, so will they come back right now?
information.
Will they come back?
You ready?
Okay, 5 passengers. Don't reach time to go. Oh yeah, on your mark. Oh yeah, let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we're saying that we are entering the day.
Okay. Instead, I feel dash you for this side. If you answer my question right. Waiting me that word, wait start with T. End with T. And it's full of T. Waiting me that thing where you feel fine for the middle of China. Aye. You win! Your 1,000 naira. Serious? Yes, now. T-box. My name is Showman Namibidi Keke.
Oh, God. Well, the only thing I got to say is very creative, very, very innovative, but thank God I be man. All right,
moving
so
on. We get laugh the laugh.
It's supposed to be for front, but most you have to control your
All
tongue.
right, how to control your tongue.
Quickly.
Number one, we say take a second before you speak. Think. Think. We don't tell you the importance. We don't tell you the things where your tongue. If you don't control your tongue, we don't tell you what if you do. But right now, we're teaching you how to control your tongue. So please take some time.
You say
Think.
tongue.
Tongue. Yeah.
Your tongue.
So take some time. Think before you talk. Please. Think before you talk.
All right, so in thinking before you talk, sounds stupid. You say avoid gossip. All right, so wherever you see where people don't do cho, you try your best possible to just walk come out, because the more you involve yourself inside gossip, you self want to gossip it to somebody else.
Yeah.
Okay, so in controlling your tongue, or in how to control your tongue, try to avoid gossip.
All right, and try not to say not nice, or try not to say untrue things about people just to spice up your gist. People, they do them a lot. Just so the gist go sweet, then go pack life, full something where person no do. You can't see the person, they think like saying I want demon.
Yes.
So please, try not to ruin people's reputations just to make your gist sweet, please.
All right, so in controlling your tongue, you go also need to think of the effect of what you talk, how it would be for person. You understand? If your gist about somebody go make the person look bad, not talk am. If you go make the person look good, fine. You understand? So don't be a bearer of evil gist of somebody. Okay? So you look, say maybe my one, maybe she dey smell, for example, you know, she just dey total my anyhow, just dey give, they worry the whole environment. It's not your place to go and be telling somebody else. You get me now? So you tell the Maya why he said, but by the time you don't tell the third party, you don't spoil everything. So you self think of waiting your gist, you know, before you talk, like she talked earlier, you think and first of waiting your gist go do to a person. It go bring the person down or we carry the person up as person.
Yes, and remember to apologize if you say something offensive. If you did talk and you mistakenly talk something when you're supposed to talk, there and then, make it a habit to always apologize. Just say, oh, I'm sorry for what I said. I didn't mean any harm. It's that simple. You know hard.
And lastly, you know, say, if you're a person with some people, they depend, they trust in you with their gist.
Secrets.
They tell you a secret. You know, do your best possible. Say you must learn to keep people's secret to yourself. All right? Try your best
Don't
possible
go and tell another person. Promise me you won't say this secret that I'm telling you.
You can't go tell person say, see this thing I won't tell you now. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody. They say me cannot tell anybody. Make I just tell you. You understand? You can't go tell that person. Now say you can't go tell another person.
Get one best friend again.
So the chain, he go continue. So try. Make you not be the person who go start the whole wrong gist. Okay? Even if the gist not true, nobody must say you must talk. If you not talk, you go die. Will you come and kill yourself? All right, so please do your best possible to shut up your mouth and quiet yourself there. Hold yourself together. If your mouth do,
shut it down.
You hold on, not bad spirit. All right, so you hold yourself down because the wrong gist they bring beating.
They bring beating, no.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we hope so with these few points of ours on how to control your tongue, we've been able
to convince you
and not to confuse you
that
the tongue should be controlled.
Yes.
Yeah.
And your speech band should be evaluated.
All right, so we'll go for Laugh the Laugh right about now, and we'll be right back.
Baddest.
Oh my, don't sharp now for
I didn't tell you this thing. Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy.
Yes, talk and
follow
smoke.
us for Twitter.
Make them talk for Twitter. All this one will talk now. Make them follow us relate.
I tell them
No, the way they rap the thing sometimes.
Sorry, it's be like inbuilt.
You know, I'm built already. It's not in your head. It congealed there.
It's just there.
So you all drop it as a hot. You
Okay.
understand? So drop
Follow
it.
us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy at Wazobia Paddy. YouTube.com/Wazobia TVNG. Search for Paddy. The same thing you go do for Facebook.com/Wazobia TVNG. Search for Paddy. If you want to follow us individually at Mayowa Lambe on Twitter, at Funny Ogbolo on Twitter, at Mayowa Ekpo on Instagram, at Ogbolo on Instagram, on top Snapchat at Mayowa Ekpo, and at Ogbolo on top Snapchat. Thank you very much.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, you see me another way, my baby, and we will see you now on Monday. Make sure get the best weekend for ourselves. Try your best possible. Say this weekend, you just come out yourself for any kind of talk when you just too necessary. Okay, use your mouth to talk positive things about people and about your own self. All right, anything negative, no use your mouth to come. All right, so God bless you, and from us, we go say bye bye and get better weekend. We'll see you on Monday.
My favorite day of the week.
We love you guys. We love you guys. All right. Adios.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.